Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to buy BNB on Coinbase Wallet. So the first thing you'll have to do is go to your Coinbase Wallet and then press the buy option. From the buy option, you'll have to wait for it to load and then select your network right here. So you will choose your BSC or your Binance Smart Chain for BNB and the most efficient and lightest of the transaction fees. So once you are in the network of BNB, you can choose to buy BNB right here by default. So that's the currency of the Binance Smart Chain, so it's automatically set to that already. So if you want to buy other things in BNB or in the BSC, you can do so. So right here, you will have your payment method, of course. You can do Apple Pay and then continue to payment. So here you will enter on how much you want to buy and then continue to payment and then you will receive it basically on your Coinbase wallet after your transaction is complete. And that's how you buy BNB on your Coinbase wallet.